Hello everyone and welcome back for another week of Interior Sports Fun. I'm Michael Ives and we'll start this Monday night with a recap of opening weekend for Interior Prep football with all 5 local teams in action. 4 of the 5 playing their openers right here in the Interior and 3 of the 5 powering to season opening victories over the weekend. We'll kick things off with the 2016 Mayor's Bowl on Saturday night with the large school Lathrop Malamutes hosting the preseason top 5 ranked medium school North Pole Patriots. And with the hardware on scene and the Malamutes looking to defend the Mayor's Bowl trophy, both teams hit the LHS turf pumped and ready for battle. Opening day jitters have both teams starting with back and forth turnovers before the home team settles in and gets to work. Number 1 gets the first one for Lathrop. All-around weapon R.J. Henry takes a reverse 60 yards to pay dirt, helping the Malamutes take a first quarter lead, and the defense and new starting quarterback Josh Hernandez take it from there. The sophomore signal caller Hernandez goes 9 for 13 through the air and notches a passing touchdown to Kalen Martin after having his first pass of the season intercepted. Hernandez shook off the early mistake and adds 3 rushing touchdowns to his monster game. The Malamutes defense just shuts down North Pole on Saturday. The Patriots complete just a single pass for 5 total yards and end with 44 yards of total offense for the game. Lathrop wins a 36-0 shutout and secures back-to-back Mayor's Bowl trophies for Fairbanks and City Mayor John Eberhardt. With a new head coach and new defensive coordinator, the dominant wind has the fellas feeling confident right out of the gate.
It feels good. We just changed our defensive coordinator to Coach Zodi, and I think he knows what he's doing with the 3 front. And feels good, especially with the rival. It's a good morale booster. Now we got West Anchorage and then Service, so a bunch of Anchorage teams after this. But yeah, I think we're ready.
We're pretty confident now, knowing our offense and know that we can click more. It gives us a good set tone, knowing we can score points easily through the air and through the ground.
The pair of Interior small schools both earned big wins on opening weekend. The Eielson Ravens welcomed Homer to Buck Nystrom Field on Saturday and fell in a quick 12-0 hole to the visiting Mariners early, before the Dirty Birds tighten up their tackles on defense and start feeding the monster under center in red and black. Folks, if a Interior Prep Football Fantasy League exists, well, number 1, I want in. Hit me up, people. And number 2, draft Antonio Griffith with the first pick. The Ravens QB Griffith shreds Homer for 7 touchdowns, 3 passing TDs, 3 rushing TDs, and an 82-yard punt return to the house to rally the Ravens and give Eielson a controlling 67-31 season-opening W. The other local small school, the Monroe Catholic Rams, played in the lone contest outside of the Interior, but returned with a big victory after pounding the Reddington Huskies in their program's first-ever football contest. Rams running back Caleb Thomas rumbles for 133 rushing yards and a rushing touchdown, and adds a 77-yard kickoff return TD to his stat sheet. Quarterback Ryan Brantley throws a TD, runs in a pair, and returns a punt for 6 points, and Monroe tromps Reddington 59-6 on the road. The large school West Valley Wolfpack joined North Pole as the other Interior team to start the year with an L. Star senior running back Josh Cummings lights up the Service Cougars for 223 rushing yards on just 14 carries, including a huge 80-yard sprint to get the pack on the board, but team mistakes and a lack of urgency derail the Wolfpack attack. Service's Xavier Harris rushes for a trio of TDs, and receiver Nathan Fromm catches a trio of TD passes to help Service hold off a Wolfpack late rally try and down the hosts 55-39 on Friday night.